Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, November 9th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar yen. We're starting on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly time frame, I've been originally saying that this is going to go down to the 78% if it's a corrective pattern, or if it's a reversal, it would possibly go down to the 161, 178%, meaning that this would make a lower high, and then just, do something like this or possibly something like this. So either way, that definitely is a very likely possibility. But I always try to look at both sides of the coin. We definitely did make one, two, three waves down to the 61%. We definitely are making engulfing moves to the upside. This is definitely an uptrend. It could be higher low, higher low, higher low, and it could go up and make a new higher high. So we always want to try to get a bullish and a bearish analysis if we can. Going down to the weekly time frame, we are very obviously in an uptrend. We do not have a breaker structure to the downside at a fib level. We do not have an engulfing down at the fib level. We do not see a significant lower high on this move up right here. So right now, we would definitely primarily be bullish on shorter time frames until we either see a breaker structure, or if it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then we should primarily be on the long side anyways. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we've been drifting down, but we do not have a breaker structure on the daily. So the daily time frame is higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. It could turn back up at a Fibonacci level, make another higher low, and just keep on going up. On the other hand, if it goes down and gives us a breaker structure on the daily, then that tells us that possibly we are going to start a bigger move to the downside, like I was showing on the monthly, and that we need to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, let's give it a this right here. This should only be on the 1 hour. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are looking for a breaker structure to the upside at a fib level. We definitely did turn at the 50% right here, and it possibly could go up. I don't really like the looks of it. To me, this looks more like a pullback within a downtrend. So I think it possibly is going to go down a little bit more. But if we do get like a breaker structure to the upside at a fib level, then we definitely want to become bullish again. The 4 hour time frame did break structure way back here, so we should primarily be looking for shorts if we're trading the 1 hour time frame and below. If we are looking to try to swing trade this, then we potentially would be waiting for a breaker structure to the upside at a fib level to go long again, or we would be waiting for a breaker structure to the downside and then go short at the next pullback, potentially for a big reversal on the higher time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last impulsive down from here to here. If price makes three waves up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and engulfing to the downside, then you definitely probably want to take it as a short. Like I said, we do have a breaker structure on the 4 hour time frame, so we should primarily be looking for shorts until we get a breaker structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, which we don't really have yet. We have a little bit of a 1 hour break right here, but that doesn't tell me anything except for this wave is over. This could just end up being a pullback to this wave. It could turn at a fib level and it could continue the 4 hour time frame corrective pattern to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.